I agree with Natalie Pinkham that Daniel Ricciardo would have been replacing Sergio Perez this season had he not injured his hand. But now, given the performances that Liam Lawson has put in, I don't understand why Liam Lawson doesn't get the chance to replace Sergio Perez, because yes, I mean, Daniel Ricciardo is going to have a long time to recuperate with his broken hand, you know, and I think that's why he's in the AlphaTauri and next year, and not in the Red Bull. So I'm thinking that the fact that Daniel Ricciardo has broken his hand might have saved Perez's career, but I can't see Sergio Perez being in the Red Bull Racing team alongside Max Verstappen beyond 2024. I'm seriously gutted that Liam Lawson didn't get the seat for next year at AlphaTauri, because I'm fearing that a talented racing driver is going to be wasted. And yeah, I mean, Formula 1 really has to do something about this, because I think there are too many talented racing drivers and not enough seats. But anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't done so already, why not hit that subscribe button? It will really help me out. And yes, if you want to be really awesome, why not buy me a super thanks as a tip, so I can get myself a cup of coffee. Alright, speak to you later. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.